So, you've created your new page on your City Hive website, but you're not quite sure how to link those images or some of the text to other pages. I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So as you can see here, we're starting out on that canvas where you build your page. So here we have a sample picture and we have some sample text over here. Now, first, if we want to link our sample picture, all you have to do is click on the picture. Here on the top, you can see the brush icon and the gear icon. You're going to want to click on the gear icon. Now, from the gear icon, you'll see some settings. All you have to do is click on app action. So just make sure, again, we'll make sure we're clicked on the image and edit app action. So you'll get this page here or this menu. Click on down and then click on open URL. From the open URL, all you have to do is paste the URL you'd like that image when clicked to go to. So click on paste your URL over there and click submit. So now that image will be linked to that URL. Now what about the text? How do we do it for the text? So again, all you have to do is just click the text or select all of the text. You'll get this menu over here on the right side. So all you have to do is click down here and then edit app action. Same thing, click on down, look for open URL, and then you paste again that URL you'd like to link it to. And then click on submit. And then you are good to go. Once you're done, make sure to save. Always make sure to save your pages. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.